Tapos mag-a-admit na po ako. Sige po.
Yung ano, madam?
Ito mga pangalan na to. Mga pangit. Naive. Kasi hanapin nyo na dyan.
Okay, I would like to ask our live viewers from YouTube and Facebook to please kindly comment your name and your school. Thank you.
And also for our participants here in the Zoom meeting, we would like you to change your name with the following format. The format would be your given name underscore your school or college. Again, the format would be your given name underscore your school or your college. Thank you.
Okay, so hello viewers, hello world. We welcome you to our event today. I would like to ask our live viewers from YouTube and Facebook to please kindly comment your name and school below. Thank you.
And also, again, for our participants here in the Zoom meeting, we would like you to change your name with the following format. Again, the format would be your given name underscore your school or your college. Again, the given format is given name underscore your school or your college. And now, hello partner, nandito na tayo ulit sa ating talk show which is entitled Account Talk. This will be our 5th episode. So partner, ano nga ulit ang title ng Account Talk or Accounting Portal PH show natin?
Yes, it will be all about accounting.
Account Talks.
And for this episode, we will be tackling about auditing.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. And I guess, nalaman na din ng ating mga viewers or ng ating mga participants dito na ang pinaka-title ng ating event for today is Audacity in Auditing, Fearless Amidst Adversity.
Yes, partner. So for this, alam mo ba kung ano po yung purpose or para saan po yung auditing, partner?
As far as I remember, describe ko muna as far as I remember kung ano yung auditing. So, sa aking mga subject before, a simple glimpse lang, as far as I can remember, auditing is an independent assessment ng mga accounting at financial records. But when it comes to its purpose naman, for that kasi partner, I believe that hindi ako yung nasa tamang posisyon or I'm not in the right position to speak on that subject line since I do not have the qualifications yet to explain those. And I think we should just leave it to our speaker for today.
Yes, well, so kailangan nating maging extra careful sa mga words or terms na babanggitin natin, partner, since maraming ma-misinterpret ng ating mga viewers. Alam naman natin lahat ng accountants ay may mga metikulosong individual. We are trained to believe that we should never assume unless otherwise stated. Tama ba, partner?
Grabe naman yung partner. Parang humuhugot ka. Parang ang lalim naman ang pinaghuhugutan mo. Tapos ine-emphasize mo pa yung never assume unless otherwise stated. And tama ka dyan, partner. Lagi yan tinuturo sa atin ng ating mga professor. So, bago pa tayo makapagbitaw ng mga salita na hindi naman tayo sigurado, for now, gawin mo natin a bit more fun bago tayo magpunta sa mga serious. A little bit more fun itong talk show natin. So, we have prepared a mini activity for our viewers.
Yes. So, for this one, as far as I know, most of our avid viewers already knew the drill before we start our talk. Right, partner?
Yes, partner, tamang-tama ka dyan. And, katulad ng sinabi mo kanina, yung mga avid viewers natin, alam na nila kung ano yung drill na to. So, sa ating mga avid viewers, for our 5th episode, we have prepared another activity entitled Emoji Pictionary. So, for the mechanics of this game, magbibigay kami ng set of emojis na kailangan nyong hulaan kung ano yung hidden words under those certain emojis. Magbibigay kami ng combination of emojis and huhulaan nyo kung ano nga ba yung meaning ng emojis na yon pag pinagsama-sama. And a hint, a tip, lahat ng emojis na ibibigay namin naka-theme under sa Disney movies.
Yes, partner. And for those who are not familiar with the game, my partner, Miss Kyla, will show you some sample items.
Ayan. So, nakikita naman natin sa screen ngayon, may dalawang emoji na nasa screen. Nasa slide natin. Dalawang
Yes,
emoji. So, meron tayong emoji ng princess and may emoji tayo ng frog. So, pag pinagsama siya, the Disney movie under this is The Princess and the Frog. So, the correct answer would be The Princess and the Frog. So, I think, partner, gets naman na nila, no? Tama ba ako doon?
Yes, partner. I believe gets na ng ating mga viewers. Or maybe you can give us a heart reaction or comment down below if you really understand the sample set.
Ayan, partner. Tingnan nga natin sa Facebook kung nagre-react pa sila. Nagre-react kaya
Yes,
sila ngayon?
partner. Maraming nag-heart react po sa Facebook ngayong live.
Ayan, nakikita ka na din yung mga heart reactions nyo. So guys, if nanonood kayo ngayon, just press those heart buttons. Heart reaction.
Yes.
Ayan. So, I think they are ready na, partner. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Simulan na natin to.
Yes, partner. So let's start with the first picture.
Ayan. So for the first set of emojis, guys, participants sa ating viewers sa Facebook Live, kung alam nyo to, please do answer. Ano nga ba to? May princess, may rose, and may animal? Certain animal na...
O, parang
Hindi naman-
tama raw. Bull? Ano ba yan, partner? Alam mo ba
Ayan.
yan?
Ayan, partner, parang may mga nakasagot na ako, hindi ako aware kung ano siya. So,
Oh,
ayan, may nakasagot na dito sa ating Zoom. Si Miss Natalie Grace Bongalon or Bongalon answered Beauty and the Beast. Tama ba yun?
Yes. Yes, partner. The answer will be Beauty and the Beast. Marami din ako nakikitang correct answers with our live viewers in Facebook, partner. So, let's proceed to the second one.
The second set of emojis, ano kaya to? Ayan, may dalawang princess, isang snowflake, at isang snowman. So, ano
Yes,
kaya to, partner? Ayan, parang alam na alam naman agad nila. Parang ang dami naman
Halata
nakakaalam.
naman,
Oo.
partner.
Halatang nanonood sila ng mga Disney
Yes.
movies and mga bata pa at heart.
Yes.
Ayan,
So, meron
so-
ako nakita dito sa, partner, sa Facebook Live, si Miss Rosalyn Grace Barrios. Her answer is Frozen. So, tama ba yun, partner? Frozen nga ba?
Ayan, the correct answer is Frozen. Congratulations sa ating
Yes.
winner. So to proceed, our next set of emojis would be, ayan, partner,
Yan.
may natutulog. Ano kaya hindi
Inaantok.
may natutulog? And princess, a princess na natutulog siguro. Ayan, so, ayan, ang bilis. May mga nakakahula na and for sure, sikat na sikat din talaga to. So,
Yes.
again, si Miss Natalie Grace Bongalon, ang sagot niya is Sleeping Beauty. Partner, tama ba yun?
Yes, partner. Sleeping Beauty po yung answer dyan. So, before mag-start po tayo sa next question or next picture, I mean.
Ayan, dalawang emojis na yung nakikita natin, which is an elephant and a place. Ito ata yung place para sa mga circus.
Yes, parang tent ng circus.
Yes. Ayan, partner. May nakikita ka namang sagot sa ating Facebook. If wala
Sa
pa,
meron dito sa Facebook, kaka-message lang or kaka-answer niya lang from Cristel Toledo. Sabi niya is Dumbo. Tama ba yun, partner?
So the correct answer for this would be Dumbo. Tama si Miss Cristel Toledo. Correct me if I'm wrong, Miss Cristel Toledo, congratulations for having the right answer. So for our next set of emojis, ayan, partner. Parang,
Recording in progress.
parang ano siya, parang ang dami emojis, tatlo, and may lion.
Recording
lion,
stopped.
And also
Yeah.
may prince,
Prince,
king,
then
and
tsaka
also
castle.
meron tayong castle. So ayan, may mga sagot na akong nakita. Sabi ni Miss Cherry Ann Magdasok, ang sagot is The Lion King. Tama ba yun, partner?
Yes, congratulations. Tamang-tama po yung answer, The Lion King. So, the next, meron pa bang another emoji?
Siyempre, partner, meron pa tayo another emoji. So, for the next set of emojis, meron tayong magnifying glass and also a fish. So, guys, parang alam ko to. Magnifying, ano ba ang term for magnifying? Ayan, may mga nakakasagot na tayo dito. Sa Facebook Live ba, partner, meron?
Wala pa akong nakikita sa ngayon sa Facebook Live. Sa Zoom ba, meron na?
Meron na, partner. Actually, ang bilis nga nila eh. Sabi ni Miss Jolina Pasahol, ang sagot niya is Finding Nemo. Tama kaya yun, partner?
Yes, partner. Finding Nemo. Halatang-halata naman, partner, kasi sa ngalan pa lang ng isda, si Nemo na yun eh.
Pero tama dyan,
Apo.
partner. And finding. Sa magnifying glass pala. Ayan. So, for our next set of emojis, parang alam ko agad to. May genie agad sa dulo. Ano nga bang
Oo.
Disney movie or Disney movie ang merong genie sa kanila? So, ayan, may mga nakakasagot na sa ating Zoom. Sabi ni Sir Noe, Jan Noe Gicalde, ang sagot is Aladdin. Tama ba yung partner?
Yes, partner. Aladdin po yung answer dyan. So, meron pa ba? May last emoji pa tayong natitira. So, go ahead, partner.
Ayan, isang emoji lang pero grabe, alam mo agad ata kung sino to. So, ayan, may sagot na agad tayo. Ang bilis. Si Miss Jessica Polidario. Ang sagot niya is Pinocchio. Tama ba yun, partner?
Yes, partner, Pinocchio. So, that will be the end of the game today. So, partner?
Ayan. That would be the end of our game today. Guys, thank you for participating. We really appreciate your time. For giving us your time and joining our mini activity for today.
Yes. So, and now, let us proceed to our proper or our main event for today. We need to have a comprehensive understanding about the various aspects of auditing. May I introduce our speaker for this afternoon's event? He is a CPA practitioner who graduated his degree in accountancy at De La Salle Lipa and passed his CPA board examination on October 2015. He was a maintenance assistant scholar during his college years and an assistant vice president for internal affairs of the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants, De La Salle Lipa chapter in his 4th year in college. He previously worked as an associate auditor in one of the biggest auditing firms in the Philippines. After working for 1 year and a half, he was promoted as senior audit associate. He has extensive audit experience in financial audits and due diligence of hotels, real estates, malls, financial institutions, non-profit organizations, and holding companies. He has experience in an audit of both local and international companies with knowledge in international financial reporting standards and United States generally accepted accounting principle. After 1.5 years in auditing firm, he decided to join an accounting outsourcing company in Makati City and supports US-based auditing firm in performing assurance and non-assurance services to US clients. He leads the California region in audit support services and was awarded Caught in the Act Award by the US audit firm. Currently, he is one of the senior founding partners of LGP and Company, an auditing firm based in Lipa City and handling transactions advisory services for U.S. Security and Executive Commission registered companies for general accounting and financial statement preparation of a pharmaceutical and manufacturing industry. He also leads the international audit team of the company, which provides audit support services in different countries. He is also a member of Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, Lipa chapter, and also a member of the National Institute of Accounting Technicians.
Grabe naman yun, partner. Parang nakaka-excite naman lalo na mapakinggan yung magiging event or episode natin for today kasi grabe yung credentials na narinig naman ng ating viewers and participants na nandito. So, ano bang hinihintay natin? Without further ado, let's all welcome Mr. Edward T. Ortega, a senior founding partner at Laco, Garachico Protasio and Company, and let's give him a burst of reaction. Hello, sir!
Hello, sir. Good afternoon po.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. And I think ready na din po si sir na mag-start yung talk show natin dito and nakapag-warm up na din po ata lahat sa pakikinig kanina during our mini activity. But before we officially start this formal interview or talk show, sir, I would just like to ask, syempre dapat tinatanong ko sa lahat, kamusta ka naman po, sir?
Yeah, actually, I'm currently at work. So, and happy that I have vacant time like this so that I can share my knowledge. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes po, sir. We can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. I'm just curious because actually this is my second time talking virtually. So, nakakalungkot lang kasi instead of talking to the crowd and seeing the participants, it's actually I'm just seeing my monitor and my laptop